Hi, meet the Akxy Home Composter. I'm here to show you how easy it is to use our composter, and all it takes is just 3 steps. So let's get started. First, open the lid of your composter. You will find 2 things inside. First is the instruction manual. It is absolutely important that you read what's written here because it will tell you what you're supposed to do and what you're not supposed to do. Next, you will find the bioculture packet. To get started, go ahead and open your bioculture packet and empty it all inside. Once you've done that, take all the wet waste from your kitchen and add that to your composter as well. Go ahead and close the lid of your composter. Please note that there is a lock on the side of your composter. Go ahead and unlock the composter. Now you're supposed to rotate your composter 4 times in the clockwise direction and 4 times in the anti-clockwise direction. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get started with home composting. To use your composter every day, all you need to do is take the wet waste from your kitchen, add it to the composter, and rotate your composter 4 times in the clockwise direction and 4 times in the anti-clockwise direction. So what are you waiting for? Come compost with us today.